centuries ago, especially the young generation, and it doesn't really mean much to them. For one way to connect it is, my simple definition is, slavery is labor history, because that's the reason why people were brought to Cape Town, to the Tavern of the Seven Seas. Wherever there's a group of people, somebody must do the cooking, somebody must do the washing, and on that basis, slaves from Asia were brought here, and from Africa, and from the four corners of the Indian Ocean. So that is, to me, slave history, and I hope you will relay that to everyone else, especially to the unions. Because slavery is viewed as colored history, which is completely incorrect. Because with our slave history, we share the Indian Ocean world and also the Atlantic Ocean world, because Cape Town was the Gibraltar of the southern seas. Any ship before the Suez Canal was built had to come past Cape Town. In terms of the VOC, 1 million people from Europe were on their way to Jakarta or to Batavia. In terms of citizenship,